Let's fill this place up. I'm jumping in the pool. I don't know how to swim. You got water in your ears. We need to clog this place up. I can't hear anything. You need to shake it out. You're only making it worse. Did you say something? We need to go deeper. You'll never get past me. You really think you can stop us? I tried my best. It's going into my head. We run this place now. It's taking over your body. This whole place is flooding. I gotta pull the drain. You're too late. I'm pulling out the plug. We're getting kicked out. I can hear again.